Hello everybody, just out here delivering some concrete to a dairy farm. Got several of these barns full of cows in between. They got some peach trees planted. Nice use of space that way. There's some more cows for you. Putting in another one of these up ahead over here at the end of this barn. There's calf barns and calf hutches and come out here quite a bit. This is one of the barns. So I'll jump out and say hi to everybody. Waiting in line while that truck there is pouring out. So thank you all for watching. Please like and subscribe. I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful day.